Did you know that 88% of online shoppers consider reviews when making a buying decision? Reviews are the deciding factor for consumers choosing between you and your competitor. Negative reviews can do serious harm if left unchecked, while positive reviews can lead to a healthy increase in your bottom line. In both cases, it is important to actively respond and manage all reviews to build the trust of your customers and keep them coming back. A good online reputation also considers how accurately your contact information is displayed and what people are saying about your business outside of reviews. But it doesn't stop there. Search engines like Google take your reputation into account when ranking your business on search results. So the better your online reputation, the better your chances are of getting found ahead of the competition. Take control of your online reputation and start bringing in more customers today.